We have here Viking professional microwave with a symptom the display is so dim you cannot even see it. I already removed this panel from it, and here is the display. I opened this, I removed this display, I removed from here. When I open it, here is the PC board with the 3 LEDs. 1, 2, 3. These 3 LEDs are most likely burned. Maybe one of them is lit up, maybe all 3 of them are done. What I did, they are very small blue LEDs. I replaced them with new ones. The problem what occur after replacing them, new LEDs are so bright. Those all original LEDs was dim, they was nice. But once I put all these 3 LED in, new one, the display becomes so bright, like over bright. Now I have to modify the brightness of these LEDs. What is much easier process. So let's put this together. Okay, back. Here, resistor R4 on this board, R4, that's the resistor was limiting the current to LEDs. What I will do, I will remove this resistor. I already unsoldered it. This resistor goes out, and I will install, instead of resistor, tripod. Tripod you have to find a way how to install this tripod there to adjust the brightness. What I did, I will use this hole here, and I drilled 3 holes because I tried to align, but that's the middle hole is the best location to drill for this tripod. And now when I put this tripod in, see, I will have to extend this wire to connect here, but now I can solder this tripod. Let's solder it. Okay. Now after I replace those burned LEDs, I power it up, and you can see display, and I can adjust the brightness. This was original brightness. Look how bright. It was too over bright that you can see background. I mean, now we can adjust the brightness almost to, it was probably original when LED was burned, it was like even worse like this. It was much worse. Now I can adjust desired brightness, whatever is my comfort.